Okay, now at this point into the tutorial, you should have completed the first two layers and this part in which all the sides or pieces are oriented correctly. The next step is PLL. What this means is now that they're oriented correctly, we have to put them in the right place, which can therefore solve the cube. This is the final case in solving your Rubik's Cube. And now I'm back to the Diane which I was using in the beginning, not this Rubik's brand. Now, the first step in this is to look for headlights. What that means is that you have to look for a case in which there are two corners which have the same color. These two, that's white and orange, those aren't headlights. Yellow and white, those aren't headlights. Orange and yellow, those aren't headlights. These are headlights. Red and red. What you do is you rotate the cube so that the headlights will align. See, these are red, so you put them in the red side. What you do next is you put these headlights to your back, then you do the following algorithm. R prime, F, R prime, back to R, F prime, R prime, back to R2. And when you do that, your headlights should be complete. So you just have to orient or move the top layer, and now they're complete. Now, one note I should make in the algorithm was when you're doing the part that says B2, it does not matter which way you do it, because no matter which way you do it, it's going to land the same way. Now, if you're in a case in which you don't have any headlights, as shown here, it's basically simple. You hold the cube in any position and you perform the algorithm as I said before. R prime, F, R prime, back to R, F prime, R prime, back to R2, and see, I got a pair of headlights. And then when you do that algorithm, you're most likely to get one pair of headlights. And once you do, as shown here, orange, you rotate it so that the headlights align. Then you put it towards your back, so it's on your back layer. Then you do that same algorithm again. R prime, F, R prime, back to R, R, F prime, R prime, back to R2. Then I orient the top layer, and now my headlights are complete. Now the last step in solving the Rubik's Cube is solving these last four edges. Now there are two cases you can get. One is in which all four edges are not in the correct spot as shown, and the other is when one edge is in the correct position but three are not. If you're in this case in which one edge is in the right position, then to do this algorithm, you put that solved edge so it will be your back layer. But if you're in a case in which no edges are solved, you hold it at any position and you perform this algorithm. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. Now, as you can see, when we did that, we have one of them has been solved. So, as I said before, you hold that solved edge so it can be on your back layer. Then you do the same algorithm. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. And now you have successfully completed the Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please check out my other videos.